Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 C300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with front and rear LED daytime running lights, 17-inch alloy wheels. The tires are in good condition. A black MB text interior, panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our C300 4MATIC badging. Opening up the tailgate, we've got a clean set of floor mats. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 2 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, a natural grain black ash wood trim, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, power windows. Hop in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, cup holders, our turn wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for a different driving pattern. This C300 has 26,851 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.